Hello, in this section I will show you how we use different types of editors. First editor we will use is Notepad, classic Notepad in Windows and Visual Code Studio or advanced use. So how we use Notepad for web development. Here we search for Notepad. So we open it. Then here we get a Notepad. So once we open that, we can write the first language, HTML language. Here's how we write it. So the first thing is writing the doc type, then we entitle it as HTML, then we close it, then we add tags HTML, it's a root tag, then we add lang, it's an attribute used to add additional behaviors. So here HTML elements have an opening tag and a closing tag. So these HTML elements have two child elements. These are head elements with opening and closing head element, and body element with opening and closing elements. So once we have that, inside the HTML, the head tag, we add basic elements such as meta tag, which is to add informations about character sets, for example. So then, since it is an empty tags are those tags that do not have closing tags. So we add this, then we can add also another important meta tag. We call it viewport. We add a name attribute and its value is viewport. And content tag with width value is equal to device width and initial scale value of 1.0. So we may also add title tag here. We say our title of our web page is editors use. We close the title tag. So here in the head tag, these are additional informations we give for our web page. Then inside the body, we put the visible parts of our page. So we add the paragraph tag with simple statements: hello world. So once we write the elements or all the necessary codes, the basic HTML code, we can save the file in our computer or system. So I create a file in local disk D. Then here I create a new folder, a new file folder which says internet programming. Then inside that I put another folder. It says basics. So inside basics, here I save it as save as. local disk, new volume D, terminal programming, basics. Then here I put the file name. So chapter 1 basics.html. Then I put here from the save as type as all file types. Since Notepad is not such intelligent editor, we have to put this save as type as all file type, and we have to give the extension as .html. Then we save it. So once we do that, when we come back to the basics folder, we get a file that's saved, and the icon is changed to the browser, your default browser type. So if we open this, we get hello world. So we write our first programming language using Notepad, classic Notepad. So if you want to add new thing, for example, hello world, first class internet programming, and we save, then we refresh the page, we get the additional type. And the title, as you see, here we put the title. The title is shown in the top browser tab. So this is how we use Notepad++ in our project.